So this is it. This is the adventure combo by DJI. So DJI Osmo 360. So with this is we have our battery pack. We have the, of course, the tripod, monopod, and then also we have some exclusive uh, gadgets, some extreme battery, yes, and then we have here, of course, other parts that we can explore. So why not? Let's do the unboxing here now. So yeah, let's tear this one up. There you go. Okay, so let's open it. Don't know how. Okay, here or here. Okay, you guys are ready? So DJI Osmo 360. This is actually the latest from the DJI, which previously there are actually other company and camera gadgets who actually introduced 360, and now the GGI new 360 is now available in the market. So let's do the unboxing first. What's with this here is actually there are two boxes, and then the so this one here is the pole, yeah. So this is actually what they call the magic stick. So this is actually magic stick. It means that it is not visible when you are using. Actually, this is very light. This kind is really light. I don't know it's carbon or carbon alloy, but this one is very light. So, and then nothing in the box. Yeah, let's put it that way. Yeah, nothing in the box. So let's unbox first this part here. And I think this is the camera. Yep, this is the camera. So there you go. Ooh, wow. Once again, thank you very much. God bless, bro. So DJI. So this is the lens, the monitor lens. We have the two camera both side, and then here is the thread where you can actually just thread it in here. There you go. Easy to use. And then this is the part where the battery or the USB. So this is the USB port. Okay, it's a type C. And then make sure, guys, make sure if you are locking in this one, you make sure you don't see the red button here. So it's always, if you do like it's not locked properly, you can see the red thing here. But this one is, as you can see, there is no red on this part, so it means it's totally sealed or locked. On this part also is the same. You have to push, and then see that is actually the I mentioned earlier, the red thing here is actually means that your camera is not locked properly, or this part where you can actually pull the battery, put the battery and the SIM card here. So when you lock this one, you can hear the click, and you can see now the red lines is not visible. It means that this is actually totally locked. Okay, now let's open it first, and then you can see here there is a SIM slot on this side here, and this is where you put the battery. Okay, so the sensor or the LCD or the monitor here is about an inch and 2.5 inch or 2 inch, 1 by 2. And here you can see this round button here and the square button on this side here. Okay, so now let's just put it on this side here. And this one here, what's in here? Let's see. So what's in here is actually the battery pack. So the battery, there you go. So by the way, the battery is the same with the battery we use for the Osmo 5 and Osmo 4. It's the same battery. So you can actually use the battery from your old DJI 4 and 5 to your 360. So now this is the indicator, the LED indicator that says here or tells that you have about 50% battery. So you have to charge it first and you can use. But for now, we'll be using it to turn on the camera later on. So what's with this box is also the stickers and manual. So we got stickers, we got manual, and we got pouch here. So there is actually a pouch on this pouch, and what's inside is our USB type or type C cable. We got also our, how do you call it, this connector here that actually connect to our, so it's easy. This is actually magnetic. This is magnetic where you can actually just, let me just, okay, where you can just, yeah, see, let's plug in. And this is actually adjustable when you put this, the stick, the selfie stick, and you can actually adjust by pushing this button here to adjust it to rotate or to adjust where you want it to, like that. There you go. Okay, so we got lens cleanser here or the piece of cloth, and then silicone that you will be needed in case. Okay, so this is actually for to dry up more of your um, camera if you use it in the water. So also we got this one here is the lens protector. Okay, so this is the lens protector. So when you're traveling and when you're actually not using the camera, it's better that you actually put this lens covered here to protect your camera, especially when you are traveling or when you are not using it. So this is the best way to protect, because the DJI camera or this lens is not replaceable. It means you cannot actually do it by yourself. And if you scratch the lens, both lenses or other lens, of course, there will be a difference between your photos or videos of displaying it. So when the lens is damaged, so the only thing you have to do is to send it to the DJI, and they can replace it. So okay, so what we have here is the camera, the selfie stick, the connector, the lens protector. We get the pouch here. We get the 3 batteries and power holder or battery holder, which you can just charge it. And this one here is actually the indicator. When you push this one here, you can see which battery is the indicator or of battery. And then also we get the connector, the type C connector for charging Also can be used for transferring datas or copying datas. So there you go, guys. So what we have for the Adventure Combo DJI 360 is this, all of this that you can use for our travel adventure. Now, the moment that we are waiting for is, of course, to turn on our camera. So first thing first, let's put the battery inside. There you go. So by the way, this camera, this action camera is actually had a built-in memory that's more over 100 gigabytes, or yeah, 105 gigabytes from what I just learned. Let me just check it first. So we'll double check that later. So, oh yeah, of course, this one can capture 8K resolution, 120 panoramic, and then 10 bits. Okay, so now let's test it. Turn on. It says English. So this is, so of course we choose English. And then there you go. Just skip, skip. Says here confirm. Okay. So confirm, confirm. So the date now, so we change the date here. So from here we change the date. So it's 2025. It's 20, wait, yep, what? 22. And then here it's 8. Oh, August 22. Let me check if I'm correct. Yeah, it's 22. So we already set the dates. So now is we set the time. Okay, time now is, let me just check first. Our time is 16. Yep, 16:33. 16:33. Yep. Check and start. Now there is, okay, here we can see covers. Okay, so this one here, slide covers to release the bottom to tight and slow it down. So this is just like a manual, or yes, a manual menu. And then lens protector. So we have the lens protector here. So this is just like giving you an information how you do it. So move finger over screen to adjust the perspective. And there you go. Swipe and then tap wide, and there you go. We are seeing our face here. Wide, yep, and then tap to change the shooting here. So we can use panoramic. We can use panoramic. Tap the few photos, yes, confirm, And then tap this here to adjust Pro. I don't know how. Maybe later. So Pro, maybe we'll study it. Okay, so here we tap switch between the front and the rear camera or lenses. Yes, there you go. And I think that's it. Now we can actually see it. Wow. Look at that. There you go. Okay, so this is just a personal review of the DJI Osmo 360 camera by DJI. So once again, thank you very much, bro, for this lovely sponsored gift from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much. So this camera will be used for our, of course, for our vlogging here in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Once again, thank you very much. Ride safe and God bless everyone. Thank you.